Hey you guys, it's Shruti. Welcome back to another episode of Fashion. Today we are heading towards mall. Specifically हम H&M जा रहे हैं because sale चल रहा है and I think आज last day भी है. So चलो check out करते हैं क्या है उनकी sale में and new collection भी देख ही लेंगे. And आगे अगर हम Zara जाएंगे तो we'll see about it. So before we start, अगर आप new है channel पे, मेरा नाम श्रुति है. I make travel, lifestyle and fashion content over here. अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है please subscribe कर देना, bell icon hit कर देना so you do not miss out any of my content. So let's get started.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor. All night, let's take our shot.
So right now we are in Marks and Spencer's and finding some things over here. Look at the pajamas, it's so chilly. Sale going on in Marks and Spencer as well, so chalo वो भी check out कर ही लेते हैं. So this kind of cotton pants are in sale in Marks and Spencer's. It's selling off for $14.99. They have in pink shorts too. I like this one. हमने सारे कपड़े ले लिए हैं, अब हम ट्रायल रूम में जा रहे हैं टू चेक इट आउट. आज हम लोग बहुत ही बेसिक शॉपिंग करने आए हैं, लाइक लिटरली एवरीडे वेयर ढूंढने आए हैं. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट आउटफिट आई गॉट इन मार्क्स एंड स्पेंसर. जो ये बैरल पैंट है इट फिट्स मी परफेक्टली. साइज 12 में मैंने ऑप्ट किया है एंड दिस इज़ अ शर्ट, वेरी कैजुअल शर्ट आई वोन ऑन इट. And I love the print which is going on. The stripes just never goes out of trend and it's very flowy. The fabric is amazing. The shirt is for rupees 3000, which is a lot, but the fabric is too good. And if I talk about the pant, it is in sale, perfect for everyday wear. It is like 30% off and the actual price is 4000. आई लव बैरल पैंट्स बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स बलून इफेक्ट एंड इसके ऊपर अगर हम एक क्रॉप टॉप पहन ले देन दैट्स द बेस्ट आउटफिट यू कैन क्रिएट फॉर कैजुअल डेज. So yeah. So next again I have created a very simple look, a wide leg denim pants with a padded T-top. First things about this T-top that it's padded and padded वाले सही होता है summers के लिए, monsoons के लिए. I love this. I'm gonna pick this up. But this is for 1700 rupees. I know a lot, but I like the padded tee, and the color is also very pretty. It has 2 to 3 colors in it, if I'm not wrong. But this pant is not fitting me that right. It has some weird thing going on, which I'm not liking. But yeah, the color is pretty and it's too lengthy for me, not fitting right, but I like it. I like this curation. So this is the last outfit I am wearing in Marks and Spencer's. I love the fitting and the fabric of this dress. I mean the length is perfect, the detailing is amazing, and of course ये ना easily मैंने पहन लिया बहुत ऐसे zip करके. It just fitted me amazing and everyday के लिए तो best है. Basic yet very stylish, and this is also in sale and I think ये हमको 1400 के आसपास मिलेगा as it is 50% off going on in Marks and Spencer's. It's so cool for everyday wear. This waistcoat and this linen pants, perfect. In H&M and H&M में सेल चालू हो चुका है and I think आज लास्ट या सेकेंड लास्ट डे है. बहुत भीड़ है यहाँ पे. This trouser is just for 799. Guys, we are all in a mess.
पर ये ड्रेस अच्छी लग रही है.
हाँ, ये मैं पहन के दिखाती हूँ. This white color one is so cool. Love it. The detailing on this modest dress is amazing. Should I wear it?
Yes.
ये ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग्स वाले टॉप्स भी हैं यहाँ पे क्रिंकल्ड फैब्रिक के साथ. It has many colors in it. Pink we have pista green, white. Such a modest top. It has colors too. Blue, grey. We have t-shirts over here for like $6.99. The collection is amazing. The quality is also very good. लास्ट टाइम हम आए थे इसी में ड्रेस भी था, इन्होंने लगता है कट करके टी शर्ट दे दिया है. तो हम फ्रेश कलेक्शंस में टी शर्ट्स देख रहे थे एंड ये सिर्फ $6.99 के हैं. आई लव द कलर्स, दे आर सुपर फ्रेश एंड न्यू. So we have more crinkled halter neck tops over here. Love the patterns. Which one I should pick? Guys, this t-shirt is also for just $7.99. Perfect for daily wear. We have just for $1.99, then we have $3.99. वेयर H&M में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्दी थी एंड क्यू तो आई मीन ऐसा लग रहा था कुछ भेलपुरी मिल रहा है और फ्री में. बट या आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग हसल आई एम हियर टू डू द ट्रायल्स. लेट्स डू इट. ओ माय गॉड, I am just loving this first cool and easy breezy everyday wear. The shorts is the highlight. कुछ तो यूनिक सा शॉर्ट्स है. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर $14.99 एंड ये जो टॉप है ये $7.99 का है. इतना मस्त एवरीडे वेयर वाला फैब्रिक है. लव द प्रिंट ऑन इट एज वेल एंड लेमन कलर है दोनों का, इसलिए बहुत अच्छा सा मैच कर रहा है. आई लव इट. आई लव दिस. टी शर्ट का साइज़ आई थिंक मीडियम है एंड जो पैंट मैंने पहनी है दिस इज़ 40. सो या super cool. I love it. This is such a cool vibe. Next in casual outfits I have this peplum top with this midi skirt and it's in pastel pink color. So basic and so pretty. And just look at the top first. I'm wearing size small and it is just for $6.99. I love the pattern. It has a bow behind and sleeveless है. The fabric is amazing and ऐसे normally भी आप कोई भी शॉर्ट्स के साथ इसको स्टाइल कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग ऑन बीच और वेकेशंस पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. बेसिक में अगर कुछ पहनना है सो दिस इज़ समथिंग विच यू कैन पिक फॉर वेकेशंस. Look at the midi skirt. This is just for like $13.99 after discount and I love the fabric totally. It has the pleats in it. So pretty. And ये जो बेल्ट आ रहा है वेस्ट लाइन पे, इससे आपका पूरा टमी भी हाइड हो रहा है, which is great. You can go for this. I am in love with this casual outfit. Look at it. The t-shirt is so cool. The baggy t-shirt is something I love to wear every day. And इसके ऊपर जो ये लिखा है fashion editor, it's something which describes me. So definitely this is something I'm picking up. This is for $12.99. I know a bit pricey. This is not in sale. I'm wearing medium. Sorry, I'm wearing small. And ये जो आप इसके नीचे ये casual सा शॉर्ट्स देख रहे हो ग्रे कलर में है एंड आई लव दिस कटआउट. ये जो पहले वाला शॉर्ट्स है उसका भी ऐसा स्लैंट कटआउट था एंड इसका भी वैसा ही है, जिससे ना एक लिफ्ट दे रहा है वो शॉर्ट्स को. एंड द शॉर्ट्स आई एम वेयरिंग इज अगेन इन मीडियम and this is for $14.99. I think it's a fair price. This is not in sale the whole outfit, but I love it. Best part about this shorts, it doesn't have any button or zip. Just pehen lo and you're good to go. It will look cool, sassy and I don't care wala look. Okay, this one I like the whole fit, but इसकी जो fitting है वो थोड़ी सी odd है. If you see the top over here, it has a pink fabric, pastel color में है ये. I don't know the camera is doing the justice or not, but yeah, ये मैंने small में पहना है and it's just for 7.99. I kind of love the fabric. It's like okayish, but इसके जो sleeves है ये ऐसे ऊपर से जा रहे हैं. So I don't think so I'm gonna take this up. And this pant, if I talk about that, ये पहले बहुत ऐसे pants आते थे tight fitted and थोड़ा सा wide leg में, but I am not kind of fan of this kind of fitting. I thought थोड़ा कुछ अच्छा दिखेगा, but not really. It's not suiting me at all. And मैंने 38 पहना है. Maybe I would have picked my size, that is 40. So ये थोड़ा सा loose होता, but yeah, overall the fitting is good. There is no weirdness. If you see, that's how it should be. एंड या इसका पीछे का अगर आप देखोगे थोड़ा सा मुझे टैकी लगा. आई डिड नॉट लाइक द पैटर्न बिहाइंड, सो दिस इज़ अ मिस फॉर मी. नॉट दैट ग्रेट. And the pant is for 2499, which is like too much, and this is currently in so many colors at H&M, and ये कुछ नया collection है उनका. Okay, so next I'm wearing in tops and bottoms this top, and the pant is again same. This top is a drawstring top, and ऐसे halter neck tops और drawstring tops ना भरे पड़े हैं H&M के स्टोर में. This is for 799. इसमें आपको बहुत सारे कलर्स मिल जाएंगे एंड कैजुअल डे आउट्स के लिए तो सही है. बस पहन के निकल जाओ. इजी ब्रीजी एंड वेकेशंस के लिए भी सही है. एकदम थोड़ा सा पैटर्न है, थोड़ा सा flowiness है. The color is so pretty. We are seeing all the dresses. Oh my god, look at this animal print long maxi dress. I'm in love with the neckline. Oof. Perfect size. I'm wearing size small and this is for 2299. It's not in sale. It never goes out of trend. The print is so versatile. Minimal accessorizing and you're good to go on vacations, or if you're meeting someone, casual day out, and that minimal fashion look, this maxi dress has to be on your list. I am definitely taking it. Fits me perfect. Fit and flare. The flare is beautiful. And they have also given a stretchiness behind so you'll not feel suffocated at all. Okay, next I'm wearing this beautiful mini modest white dress, and oh my god, what is this fitting? Such a perfect fitting. ये ना कोई top और skirt नहीं है, it's a proper dress, and I'm wearing size small. Look at the balloon sleeves and the neckline. It has threads, the tassels, the small detailings. All things very minimalistic, but making the outfit look stand out. And of course, if you see the fitting, oh my god, H&M has done a fab job. मैंने small size में पहना है इसे and it's just for like 30.99, which is a fair deal. And look at the truffle detailings. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna keep this definitely. Everything about this dress is perfect. It's modest, it's sexy, it has that vintage touch. Fab. And it hugs my body like a Barbie doll. Okay, this one is in sale. It's in brown color and मैंने size small पहना है and fits me so well. Hugs my body like ये मेरे लिए ही बना था. Look at the closed neck detailing. It's perfect. It's sleeveless and perfect for casual day outs. And brown वाला तो सही दिखता है. कोई भी ऐसे golden dainty jewelry पहन लो and you're good to go and you'll get that classy sassy look. And इसका आप जो ये princess cut देख रहे हो waistline पे, that is pretty. I'm definitely taking this. This is just for 7.99. Can you believe it? इसका actual price 14.99 है and I'm picking it. Fabric is also amazing. If you see the top detailing, it has that smoky effect, and the bottom has that cotton fabric. which is perfect. If you see, the dress has this ankle length and ये monsoons के लिए perfect है. Okay, next I'm wearing this mini smoky dress and it has balloon sleeves and I am wearing XS. Can you believe it? And it's still fitting me right, though the length is bit short. But yeah, this is for 13.99, the sale value. I know a bit pricey, but I love the fabric. The smoky effect is fab. And casual days के लिए ना ऐसे breathable वाली fabrics बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. And you can style it in many ways. Again, if you see the neckline, it is pretty. It has threads. It has the smoky look, gathered detailing, and the balloon sleeves, of course. I love it. It hugs my body. I don't know मुझे extra small कैसे हो गया, but हो गया guys. Okay, last dress of this try on haul is this one. I think this is the star. Halter neck tops and halter neck dresses are my favorite, and it looks beautiful on if you have long legs. It has a zip line at the side, and I love the halter neck detailing going on. The abstract print on it is so classy. And if you're going on a vacation, Vietnam or Bali side, then you can go for this one. And this is such a versatile dress that you can also wear it in Europe or something like that. It's so cool. Layer it up and you'll get a different look. For just 5.99 they have this jorts in different colors. Oh, I love this shade of jorts. Lovely. These are going in sale just for 5.99. Fab. They have these skirts for 999 over here. Very flowy, electric blue. Then we have the guys. Look at this cute shorts. It's drawstring shorts. Love it. अच्छा लग रहा है.
ले लो.
ले ले.
पहनने का मन नहीं कर रहा, मैं ले लेती हूँ. So yeah guys, this was it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little try on haul of H&M sale. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, share it, okay? And comment below अगर आपको ऐसे videos और देखने हैं. Of course, please hype कर देना ताकि ये और लोगों तक पहुंचे जो सच में सेल का like real मजा उठाना चाहते हैं. तो जाओ, जल्दी जाओ, because there is a lot still available in sale. So definitely you'll be getting a good deals. And आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, आपको मेरी स्टाइलिंग टिप्स अच्छी लगी या नहीं, मुझे सारा सब कुछ आप कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना. गिव अवे अभी तक चल रहा है, so you better participate and get your goodie bags. So yeah, till then, keep dressing up, keep traveling, keep watching my videos. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye guys. Good night.